As Sir said, you need to walk the talk and also be a good listener, right? But I would like to leave you with one acronym this evening, CLAP, okay? Where C stands for communicating effectively and working in collaboration, because this leads to, when you work in collaboration, it leads to significant achievements. What is the next letter for CLAP? L. As Sir rightly said, a leader should be a good listener. Yes, in addition to that, you have to lead by example. What is the third letter? A. With leadership, there is a responsibility. You need to be accountable. Yes, you'll be held accountable for your words, for your deeds. So be mindful about that. And also have an attitude of gratitude. What is the fourth letter? Pardon? P. So with P, remember that you need to plan diligently and prioritize things and have always positive attitude towards everyone. And may God bless you all as you step into this new rules. God bless you all and congratulations. I also thank all the parents seated over here this evening for the vital role that you have played in molding and shaping. Along with the teachers, you have done your part to make them into what they are today. Thank you, parents, for your continuous support and cooperation. We are truly proud of your children, and I will not forget to thank my students. In spite of having investiture in the evening, I could see 100% attendance. That is something really to be appreciated. Thank you, children, for being so patient with us. Right from 2 p.m. you all are in the campus, and till now you have maintained the decorum. I'm so happy. I would like to thank all the teachers, coordinators, all the staff of various departments, including art, music, business office, finance office, front office, and all the in-charge teachers, especially the choir in charge, and all the teachers who have taken care of our captains, their speeches. I really thank you wholeheartedly for all the contribution that you have made and for all the arrangements. I thank one and all. Thank you.